Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on or off the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's begin the video. To enable the always on display on your device, you just need to open up your settings, scroll down towards the lock screen and AOD. Tap on it. In here, tap on the always on display. Here you will find out the toggle button to turn on or off the always on display. Just turn on the always on display toggle button, and then from here on you can select the settings which you want to choose based on your personal preference. Now once you turn on the always on screen, just lock the screen on your device. If you lock the screen, you will notice a black screen will appear. If you tap on that, then the always on display will be showcasing to you. So guys, that is the simplest method through which you can turn on or off the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below and subscribe to the channel because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.